Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to start posting on Pinterest in 2025, right from your phone, no desktop needed. Let's jump in. First, open the Pinterest app and log into your account. On the home page, tap the profile icon at the bottom right. Once you're in your profile, look for the plus button, usually near the top right one, and tap it. Then select Pin. This is where you start your post. Now choose a photo or video from your phone gallery. Pick something eye-catching and clear. Pinterest is visual, so quality matters. Next, write a title and description. Try to include keywords that people would search for. Like, instead of just breakfast, say easy healthy breakfast idea. Then scroll down and tap Add a link if you want people to go somewhere, like your blog, online shop, or YouTube channel. After that, choose a board to post it on, or create a new one. Boards are like folders that help keep your content organized. Finally, tap Publish. And that's it, your first pin is live. Try posting regularly, use vertical images for best results, and write keyword-rich captions. Over time, your pins will start getting more views and saves. That's all for today. Happy pinning, and see you in the next video.